Hello? Voice, they are saying not coming. Voice is coming, voice. Okay, voice coming. Oh my God. All okay. We are set to go. We are set to launch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Start. Yeah, okay, no problem. No problem. Yeah. So, boom. Yeah. So some in between, some network error happened. Okay, no problem. But now it is solved. Yeah. So what I was telling you, okay, so we got acceleration, relative acceleration, we got all these things we got. Now one more type of question which is asked from here. One numerical I'm talking about one numerical. Be focused, just see here. Okay, no, but famous question. It's one of the most famous questions, just see here, yeah. Achha, is it coming? Huh? Now, okay. It's coming, going, coming, going, coming, going, coming, going. Battery is not there, na? I said now. Now again in 2 minutes it will go. Just is it now coming? Yes, it is coming now. Now coming. Okay. Kitna, you all people coming so much of a stress. Sir, voice not coming now. Now it will come. Voice will be Vastundi. Don't worry. Voice will be Vastundi. Yeah, okay, no problem. So let's move towards the question. So what I was trying to tell here, what happened many times, what they will do, they will say this coin which you are dropping, ultimately this coin is going to hit the floor of the lift. So question is asked, they will give you height and they will ask you find the time in which coin will hit the floor of the lift. You can find that time very easily. Just see, they will say lift is going upward with an acceleration a. Inside the lift, a coin is dropped. If the height from where it is dropped is this, find the time in which coin will strike the floor of the lift. You can find very easily. Can you tell me how much distance with respect to lift coin will move before striking the floor? Yeah, Gayatri, very good. How much distance with respect to lift coin will move? That this length h. And what is relative? Yeah, how much distance it will move h? How much relative acceleration g plus a? You can use second equation of motion. H will be coming as half g plus a into t square. Using this, you can get the value of time very easily. Similarly, in this situation also you can get time. H will be here coming as half g minus a into t square. Everyone understood? Ardhmenda, bolo Tvarga. I will give you one question. Okay, very good. Do one question. You write. A coin is dropped from a height of 6 meter. A coin is dropped from a height of 6 meter inside a lift. A coin is dropped from a height of 6 meter inside a lift, moving upward with an acceleration of 2 meter per second square. Moving upward with an acceleration of 2 meter per second square. Yeah, Ashwak, very good. Find the time taken by coin with an acceleration of 2 meter per second square. Find the time taken by coin. Gayatri, very good. Trishal, very good. Shalini, very good. Other people what doing? Joshita, very good. Jaldi, Twarga. I'm waiting for answer for everyone. Geetika, very good. I think everyone will get, Sir, we already know the height with respect to lift which coin will fall, that is given, sir, that is given as 6. So this will be equal to half. Since lift is going up, G is down. So relative acceleration will come, sir, G plus A. So 10 plus 2 into T square. Now from here you can say 6 will be coming as, this will give you 60 square. So T will be coming as 1 second. Done. Bolo, 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 bolo. Everyone got? Yeah, okay, no problem. Very good. I'm giving you time of 2 seconds. See these both type of questions. We'll move further. First, crossing of train. Second, relative acceleration in the lift. Now I'm going to move to a third type of question which is asked from here. Once you complete, you can say done, sir. Okay, very good. Very good. Once I will say done, sir, you'll start saying done, sir. No patience is there. Yeah, okay, no problem. No. Now just see, yeah. See the next type of question which is asked, which you have seen. Sir, 7T square will 7. From where Gagandip 7 came? 5 plus 2, 7. If 5 plus 2, kahan se aa gaya 7? What Gagandip? What is 5 plus 2? I know 7. But what is 5 and what is 2? He says that 5 plus 2, 7. Okay, no problem. Yeah. He done G by 2. No problem. Gagandip, whatever problem you have, you can ask me later. You can message me on WhatsApp. I will see there. Yeah. Now we'll move towards the next type of question. Just see here. Okay, no problem. Now you have seen some type of question previously. It's also very famous question. So you have seen this question. You have seen this type of question where they will say you 3 particles are present at 3 vertex of an equilateral triangle. All the 3 particles are moving towards each other. Find the point where they will meet. Find the time after which they will meet. Do you remember that type of question? Again, yeah, in which particle are going to converge at a point? In which particle are going to converge at a point? Yeah, okay, no problem. So depending on figure. So yeah, most of you are knowing, but okay, no problem. First situation, I will tell you one master formula. Using that formula, you can find everywhere. Every time you don't need to do the calculation. One master formula will come. Keep that formula in your mind. You'll always get the answer. Yeah. Okay, no problem. What is that? Yeah. Okay, no problem. Just see here how we'll be talking. Just see. Yeah. Okay. So, okay, Ashwak. Yeah. Let's see that result. Okay, no problem. So what will happen? Question will be like this. They will say you 3 particles are present at 3 vertex of an equilateral triangle. I am starting with equilateral triangle. Then we will talk about square, we will talk about hexagon, we will talk about everything. Yeah. So 3 possible situations are asked here. Assume 3 particles are present at 3 vertex of an equilateral triangle A, B and C. And they are moving towards each other with same speed. A is moving towards B with speed V, B is moving towards C with speed V, C is moving towards A with speed V. Can you tell me where they will meet? Side length of equilateral triangle is given A. Can you tell me where they will meet? Can you tell me where they will meet? At the symmetrical point. They will converge at a point. They will converge at a particular point, that is symmetrical point. First thing, be careful. Those who are seeing this question for the first time, they will not be able to understand. Be 100% focused. First thing, always remember, they are not moving on the sides. Sandhya is saying, sir, I think people, they will not meet. Yeah. See here, okay. Always remember in the question, they will never say that these particles are moving on the sides of the triangle. Of course, if they are moving on the sides of the triangle, then they will never meet. Because the instant B will reach to C, C will reach to A. A will reach to B. So actually here they will never say you that particles are moving on the sides of the equilateral triangle. If they move on the sides of equilateral triangle, they will never meet. They will never meet. They will say like this. They will say like this. See here. See the motion. Observe the motion. Why they will converge at the centroid. Why they will meet there. They will say A is always moving towards B. B is always moving towards C. C is always moving towards A. So what will happen? What will happen to see? When the motion just started, now A was here, B was here, C was here. So what A did? A saw that B is here. So A moved towards B. B saw that C is here. B moved towards C. C saw that A is here. He moved towards A. But now A will not move on this line. Don't think A will again move on this line. No. Now for A, B has come here. For B, C has come here. And for C, A has come here. Are you getting my point? They are not moving on the sides. They are moving towards each other. So now B will say, now A will say that B is here. So he'll move towards B like this. B will see that C is here. So he'll move towards C like this. C will see that A is not here now. It is here. So he'll move towards C like this. So this is how slowly they will converge and they will meet finally at the most symmetrical point, that is the centroid. Bolo, bolo, bolo. Samjhe? How they are converging? How they are converging? Those who are new, those who don't know this question doing for the first time, thus they understood. They are not moving on the sides. If they will move on the sides, then they will never meet. A is moving always towards B. B is always moving towards. So as A is changing its position, B is also changing the direction of its motion. They are going like this, looking at each other. So they will meet at the centroid. Is it okay? Shall we move further? Now question is asked to find time. Tell us the time after which they will meet. Thoda dhyan se. See the time. You may forget the formula, so you must know how this time is calculated. Ultimately, you have to remember the formula. You have to use that formula, then only you'll be able to do the question. But understand how that formula will come. See here, in one line we will calculate. In one line we will calculate. Just see here how we will talk. Just see here, yeah. Okay. Easy manner formula we will get, yeah. First thing what I will do, I will not take all the particles. Sir, if A and B will meet now, C will also meet. Because C is coming looking at A only now, so your work will be done by only two particles. Take any two particles. For example, I will take A and B. See here what will happen. A and B. What is separation between A and B? Can you tell me what is separation between A and B? That is side length of the equilateral triangle, small a. And what is the velocity of A? Velocity of A is always towards B. That is V. Now, what is the velocity of B? What is the velocity of B? What is the velocity of B? Velocity of B is not towards A. It is towards C. Okay, this is the figure. Okay, very good, Vivo, very good. So, separation between them A. Velocity of A towards B. Velocity of B is not towards A. Velocity of B is towards C. And let's assume here some angle theta is there. Of course, if equilateral triangle, theta we will take 60 degree, square we will take 90 degree, hexagon we will take 120 degree, depending on the situation. Now someone says, sir, tell us, we understood, sir. A velocity is towards B, but B velocity is not towards A. B velocity is towards C. But if you observe carefully now, थोड़ा ध्यान से देखोगे ना, if you observe carefully now, you will realize that, if you observe carefully, you realize that one component of B velocity is also towards A. And this is V, this is theta. So one component of B velocity is also towards A. What is that component? V cos theta. Dekho dhyan se. Only A is not coming towards B. B is also going towards A by one component. Dekho this component. This is, yeah, his velocity is towards C, but one component is velocity is also towards A. That means this question is simply A is coming towards B with V. B is going towards A with speed V cos theta. Separation between them is A. You know the time of crossing. You know the time they are going opposite. Relative velocity will come V1 plus V2. So time taken will be A by V plus V cos theta. Array relative velocity, see both are in opposite direction, V1 plus V2. So V plus V cos theta. This is the time taken. Bolo, 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 bolo. Done, 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 done. Done, 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 done. And practice this derivation. Student get confused in the exam. Cos theta was there or sin theta was there. There, this derivation will help you. So you will tell me what will happen. This is a master formula. A upon V plus V cos theta. If anyone asks you time in the case of meeting of this particle, time will come. A upon V plus V cos. Come on, everyone will say the time. What is the time taken? A, T will be equal to, come on, Darga. T will be equal to A by V plus V cos theta. If you cannot type, you have to speak at your room. Come on, shout in your room. T equal to A by V plus V cos theta. T equal to A by V plus V cos theta. T equal to A by V plus V cos. Or bolo. A by V plus V cos theta. A by V plus V cos theta. Theta. Ta. Okata. Theta. Runda. Muda. I learned now that you should not say okati. Okata. If you ask, you have to ask na in Telugu. One. Okata. Okata. Kakri Maya Kavali. Yeah, okay. A by V plus V cos. Now everyone is typing. Okay. Yeah. If you put A, Okata, then it will become question. No problem. Now, if you understood this, you will tell me for these three situations, what is the time taken? Triangle. In triangle, what is the angle? 60 degree. In square, you will tell me the angle. How much is the angle in the square? 90 degree. Very good, Gayatri. Hexagon, what is the angle? Hexagon, what is the angle? 120 degree. Last one, paragon. What is the angle in paragon? Array, triangle, square, hexagon, then paragon. In paragon, huh? In paragon, paragon is chappal. People started thinking, using brain. Sir, 60 plus 30, 90. 90 plus 30, 120. So 120 plus 30, 150. People are saying, well, paragon is chappal, Baba. I just said. Yeah, I said. Yeah, okay. So tell me time here. I think everyone will get A by V plus V cos 60, 1 by 2. Here you will get A by V plus V cos 90, 0. Here you will get T equal to A by V plus V cos 120 minus 1 by 2. Yeah, Ashwak, yeah, I know. Sleepers, yeah, you can say angle between, yeah. Khaja knows all this thing very perfectly. You all are at home now, so you'll know about chappal in a very nice manner. Chappal and projectile motion. Best teacher of projectile motion is already there at home. Your mom will be beating you na with chappal, flying chappal. Paragon na. That's why you know. But yeah, never allow your mom and daddy to buy chappal of Bata. Baap re baap. Bata is like made up of iron. Bata chappals are very chadda. Yeah. When it is beaten to anyone, beta, it is very Paragon. Okay, Paragon is soft. Even beaten, no problem. But everyone is beaten. Anyone you are, but mom is mom, na. Mom is mom. Whatever you are, you may be in the world. I've been beaten so many times. Mom is mom in the near mom you are. Okay. Jhadu chappal. People started saying their pain. Sir, my mom beat with jhadu. My mom beat with chappal. My mom beat with paper also, cloth also. Yeah. Okay, no problem. So I think everyone will get here. Time will come. 2A by 3V. Here time will come A by V. And here time will come 2a by v. Is it okay? Is it okay? Belt. Anything else? Mom beat. Jhadu, chappal, belt. हाँ, flying, तवा, pan. कुछ छोड़ा है, कुछ छोड़ा है. Yeah, that is there also, na? For Belan, pan experience. Okay, comb. You see how great she is in projectile motion. After class, go and appreciate her. Mom, you are very good in projectile motion. You know that much projectile motion that no one knows. Then again you will get flying chappal. Then again you will get, whatever in her hand. Okay, no problem, leave all this thing. This is how we have talked about this situation. We'll further move towards one last situation from here. Is it okay? So time taken will be A upon V plus V cos theta. This is the master formula. Depending on theta, you will get the answer. We'll move to the next part. We'll move to the last question from here. Yeah. We have completed. Relative motion in 1D is completed. But one question I will talk which is not related with relative motion. But this is a famous question. Previously asked 2 times in the NEET exam. Again, it can be related. Just see, repeat it. Let's see here. Okay, no problem. So, one question is asked. For example, if you go in the mall, you have to go from ground floor to first floor. How you go from ground floor to first floor in the mall? You want to buy something on, in the mall, no one uses lift, Baba. We use escalator in the lift. Hey, Bhagwan, kaise log ho? In the mall, people don't generally use lift. It's because in the mall, people go for just watching other people like this now in the mall. So they use escalator for sure. They use escalator. As you tell me, assume a day you went in the mall, you want to go from ground floor to first floor, escalator is not working. Then what you will do? Escalator not working. Then what you will do? What you will do? Same escalator is converted to stairs. On the same escalator, what you do? You walk from ground floor to first floor. So 3 situations I will relate. I think people are getting which question I'm going to talk. 3 situations we will relate. One situation when escalator is not working, you are walking on the escalator. You want to go, escalator not working, but you are walking on the stationary escalator. Second time, when escalator is working, then what you will do? Then if escalator is working, then what you will do? You will stand on the escalator. You in a cool manner, you will stand with a style. While going on the escalator, people are in so much of a style. They will stand like this, like show, doing show, looking everyone, okay. Actually, you tell me, sometimes when you are in very hurry, if you are in very hurry, then what you will do on the escalator? What you will do? You will run on the escalator. You will run on the escalator. You will not jump, Baba. Bikram, don't jump. Bikram is saying, sir, I will jump from ground floor to first floor. How you can jump? From first floor, you can jump to ground floor. That's okay, Bikram. Only what will happen? Legs will be broken and bones will be broken. But from ground, you cannot jump to first floor. Okay, no problem. See here. You write the question. Come on, you write the question. You write. A person walks up a stationary escalator in time t1. A person walks up a stationary escalator in time t1. A person walks up a stationary escalator in time t1. If he stands, escalator takes time t2. If he stands, escalator takes time t2. If he stands, escalator takes time t2. Find the time taken. If he walks on running escalator. Find the time taken if he walks on running escalator. Gayatri has given the answer. Very good, Gayatri. T1, T2 by T1 plus T2. Find the time taken if he walks on. Find the time taken if he walks on running escalator. So always keep this thing in your mind. In this situation, time taken will be T1, T2 by T1 plus T2. T1 is the time when both are running. Escalator, person also walking, person walking plus escalator running. Is it okay? Is it okay? T1, T2 by T1 plus T2. T1, T2 by T1 plus T2. Everyone will be able to remember it. This is easy, you can remember. Yeah, YouTube live is not coming. Maybe some problem will be there. Net went na in between. That's why. Is it okay? Ha. So if you feel problem, you can derive it. You can derive it. Yeah, I will just derive in 2 minutes. Just wait for 2 minutes. Just see the derivation, because many times here also you may be confused, because 2 T1 T2 by T1 plus T2 or T1 T2 by T1 plus T2. So just here I will tell you in a very fast manner. Very fast manner. Just here. Okay, no problem. Yeah. But keep the result in your mind. Keep the result in your mind. So what you will do, actually you tell me, escalator working or not working, you are going mall or not going, whatever, you are dancing, you are crying, running or whatever, does that separation between ground floor and first floor will change? What is one thing which will not change? Separation between. So what will happen? Separation between ground floor and first floor is fixed. You can assume that separation to be S. Now, yeah, S or D, whatever you want, you can assume. In first case, what will happen? When escalator is not working, person will walk with his speed Vp, velocity of the person. And how much time he will take? T1 will be S by Vp. Distance by speed, that is the time T1. When escalator is not working, person is walking. When person is walking, simply distance by speed will give the time. Okay, no problem. Yeah, S by Vp. Second situation, when person is not walking, escalator is going, then time T2 will come S by V of escalator. Is it okay? Distance by speed will be of escalator, because now escalator is taking, person is not walking, escalator is taking him, so escalator speed will come. Yeah. Now second situation, man is also walking, escalator is also taking him up. So can you tell me what is the total velocity by which he will go? Man is also walking, you are also walking, escalator is also taking you up. So net velocity by which you will go will be Vp plus Ve. So now time taken, this time they are asking you, this time 2 times given, they are asking you this time. So this time will come, sir, S by Vp plus Ve. And point is, you can find Vp from here. So from here Vp will come S by T1. From here you can find Ve. From here you can find Ve. So V will come S by T2. You can put here S by Vp, that is S by T1. And what is your Ve? S by T2. From here if you simplify, you'll get SSS will get cancelled. You'll get time taken as T1 T2 by T1 plus T2. बोलो 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 बोलो, हो जाएगा हो जाएगा हो जाएगा हो जाएगा हो जाएगा, बोलो बोलो जल्दी. Yeah, so this is how we have talked about relative motion in a straight line in 1D. Next class we'll talk about relative motion in 2D and Rain Man problem. Saturday class not there, but Friday, tomorrow class is there. Holidays are up to 9th. If you want, you can, if you are nearby, you can come to the campus. Riverboat will not be there in the syllabus. Rain Man, up to Rain Man. Because holidays are happening 1 day early, so that's why, okay. Vp, this is not relative velocity. Don't think this is part of relative motion. Total velocity, effective velocity which he will get. You have 10 rupees and I gave you 15 rupees. So total rupees that will have 25, like that. Reopening is on 9th. 9th we will reopen. Happy Dasara in advance to all of you. Ashwak to you also and all of you also. So this is how we have talked about both situation. We'll be talking again. Okay, tata, bye bye. Bye bye. Any other problem you can message me on WhatsApp. Tata, bye bye. Take care. Take care. अच्छे से पढ़ाई करो. Study in the best manner. Yeah. Bye. Happy Dasara. Bye. Bye 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 bye.